is my birthday! I am so happy! I want to see my family! Mom, do you know what day it is today?
Today is Friday, my dear.
Just Friday?
Yes, it is a very sunny Friday.
Dad! 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 Do you know what day is it today?
Of course. Today is Friday. Honey, go and get dressed now.
Huh?
You will be late for school, okay?
Oh, okay, Dad. Does nobody remember what day it is?
Today is just a normal Friday, Bill.
Goodbye, Bill. Have a nice day.
See you later, buddy.
Okay, let us prepare for Bill's birthday.
This will be a big surprise for Bill.
I will bake the cake. I will prepare some cakes and juice.
And I will decorate the house.
Okay, let us start. We must be very fast.
Let us make a beautiful birthday cake. We need flour, eggs, and milk. Now I mix the flour and eggs. Oh no! The flour is everywhere. My face is white now. Baking a birthday cake is so hard. These donuts look very tasty. I am very hungry. I will eat just one. Oh, these cupcakes are so colorful. I will eat just one. Chocolate cake is my favorite. I will eat just one more.
Hello, Tom. Do you know what day is it today? Today is Friday. Let's go to class. Even my best friend does not remember. I feel very lonely today.
Soul, why are the plates empty? What should I do now? What's wrong? I ate all the cake!
It is okay. Anna, you can go to the supermarket. You can buy some new cake.
I am going to the supermarket now. I must decorate the room.
Let me read the instructions. It says, blow air into the balloon slowly. Okay, I will blow slowly.
Oh my goodness! The balloon is too big. This cake is taking so long. Why is it not ready yet? The oven is ringing. I hope it is perfect.
Now I will hang the balloons on the wall. This red balloon looks nice here. Now I will hang the birthday banner. I must stand on this chair. Oh no. Ouch. Decorating is not easy. Lily, do you know what day it is today? Today is just a normal Friday. Nobody remembers my birthday. I feel very sad. I want to go home.
Oh no! The cake is burned! It smells so bad!
What is that smell?
What is that smell?
Did something burn?
I burned the cake. I cannot make a birthday cake for Bill.
Do not worry, Mom. You can do it. I believe in you. Maybe you can use lower heat. Bake it longer this time.
Okay, I will try one more time. I am back. This is a plate of donuts. Ooh, this is a plate of cookies. This is a plate of cupcakes.
I promise. Anna, help me.
These gifts look messy. I tried my best, but they do not look nice.
It is okay, Dad. Dad, I will help you.
I hope this cake will be good. The kitchen smells like vanilla now. I set the oven at 160 degrees. It will bake for 50 minutes.
Look at these gifts, Anna.
Is this ribbon okay?
You are doing a great job, Dad. Let me help you with the tape.
All gifts are wrapped in colorful paper.
Wow, the gifts look beautiful now.
We are a great team, Anna.
Why are you so sad, Bill? I am asking myself that question. Nobody remembers what day is today. Maybe nobody loves me anymore. That is not true, Bill. Everyone likes you very much.
Then why did they forget my birthday?
Everyone knows today is a special day. Please, come with me now.
Where are we going, Lily?
Just follow me to your house.
The oven is ringing again. The cake is ready. Let us go and see.
Oh, look at that! The cake looks perfect this time.
Now, let us decorate the cake. Bill will love these fresh strawberries. I will write, "Happy birthday, Bill." The birthday cake looks great now.
Everything is ready for the party.
Let's clean up the kitchen quickly. We must wait for Bill to come home.
Shh! I hear someone at the door.
Turn off the lights, everyone.
Hide behind the big sofa!
I am home from school. Mom? I am home. Oh, why is the house so dark? Why are all the lights off? Is anyone home?
Surprise.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Bill!
Oh my goodness! This is amazing!
Hey, Bill, come on in.
Everyone remembers my birthday?
Of course we remember, sweetie.
We only pretended to forget.
We wanted to surprise you. I am so happy today.
You are the best family.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bill.
Happy birthday to you!
Come on, Bill. Make a wish and blow the candles.
I wish for one thing. I wish to spend every birthday with my family.
Happy birthday, Bill.
We love you so much.
I love you too, everyone. This is the best Friday ever.
Yay! Happy birthday! Woohoo!
Do you like birthday surprises? Tell me in the comments below. Please like and subscribe for more stories.